Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to hide desktop items both normally and in Stage Manager on Mac. So if you want a complete distraction-free desktop, macOS gives you an option to hide your desktop files, folders and screenshots everywhere, whether you are using regular desktop or in Stage Manager. So this does not remove or delete anything, it simply hides the icons while keeping every file safely stored inside Finder on Mac. So if you want the cleanest possible desktop experience, here's what to do. First, click on the Apple logo and choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, go to Desktop and Dock, and here you can see a section called Desktop and Stage Manager. Under Show Items, you can see two check marks, On Desktop and In Stage Manager. First, uncheck On Desktop and then uncheck the option In Stage Manager. When both check marks are turned off, your desktop files and folders will stay hidden during normal desktop and while you are using Stage Manager. Whenever you need your files to share somewhere, you can access them in Finder, and you also get a cleaner desktop experience everywhere. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.